Alright. It's Wednesday. I ain't got no job. I ain't got shit to do. So, I'm gonna learn how to drive, man. I've been wanting to learn how to drift. And, I'm not, I've done donuts here and there, but I'm not really, all that familiar with sliding the car that much. So, I'm gonna go get familiar with this thing. I'm gonna go find a place where I could go somewhere to just get used to sliding this thing around and learn how to drift. I mean, I'm not about to be out here doing no like full-blown drifting, you feel me? But no, I'm gonna just slide around, do some donuts, maybe try to do like some figure eights and just try to figure out how to actually do it. So yeah, let's see what we can do. All right, as far as I know, it should be somewhere I could go up here. We'll see though. It ain't really too much areas where I thought it was more like space. Okay, I went around a little sign. That was fun. I don't know if that area is big enough. And it's got this fat little dip right here. Oh no, I just seen a car right here, so pretty sure I just seen another car coming this way too. This car is pretty easy to slide. I mean, I don't think I could like, oh shoot. I didn't think that was gonna work. I don't have the skill level to like come around this corner. Like I ain't about to be doing all that. I can try this. Oh yeah, I was in second gear, so it didn't like that. All right, let me stop trying to slide around this pole before I f around and hit it. I need to go to the right too. I just been sliding to the left this whole time. It's clearly which way I'm comfortable sliding it. Yeah, it feels, I know why, and it's because of my seat. My seat doesn't hold me in place good. Getting dirt all up in my eyes. Dude, this is so fun. I gotta learn how to drift. Kind of getting the hang of it, just sliding it around. But I don't know how much life my tires got left in them, because these tires was already like, they wasn't bald, but they wasn't they didn't have that much life in them to begin with. So all right, so that's not terrible. That one's pretty bald, but not that bad. Man, it's always somebody driving through. For what? Why are y'all even back here? It's nothing over here. Like, it's literally nothing back here. That was fun. I think this car sounds really good. And ever since I put the max speeding rods on here, it's been a whole different car. I don't know why they get so much hate. I actually really like the max speeding rods personally. I only did that because I seen another car coming. I'm finna get a thumbnail pic. this car needs something other than more power. For sure it needs wheels, but this car is bone stock other than the coilovers, and I think it has like an AM intake, something like that. But yeah, other than that, this thing is completely stock, which honestly makes it more fun to slide around because you just know you're not gonna really have no issue. As long as you got oil in it and coolant and everything, you should be straight. I don't want to answer number call. It just called me, man. Leave me alone. Sliding it to my right is so much harder because yes, sir. So much fun. Woo. All right, I'm probably done for the day because I'm sure my tires are like fried. But that was a lot of fun. I have no idea if it has or not. These are good cars, dude. These are good cars. They're not very fast, but they handle so well once they up to speed. It's like, it kind of is fast. Because it's like you can do so much with it. Like, these cars are the type of platforms that you can do whatever you want with it.